So Anthropic's deep research used subagents to do searching. So specifically what this would do is it had the main agent, usually wouldn't or maybe never would call the search tool. Instead it would call kind of like a research agent. And that research agent had access to the search tool. It would run a bunch of searches, a lot in parallel, condense the information, choose which ones to kind of like include, and then write some kind of like report, and that report would get passed back to the main agent. Why does this work? Again, it's all kind of like context engineering. The subagents can now do a better job of researching because all they see in their context is the task that the main agent wrote. They don't see any of the previous kind of like work. There's downsides to that, we'll get to that later, but they're just really focused on this task. And likewise, the main agent, all it sees is what the subagent deems to be like the right thing to see at the end. It doesn't see any of the intermediate searches, it doesn't see any of the bad results, it just sees whatever kind of like the subagent wrote at the end. So a lot of this is just like context engineering. It's just giving agents more focused kind of like context.